Alright guys, so this was the one config that I didn't test in the previous video. 3-inch props do fit on here without the prop guards when you use the TPU canopy up on top. So let's see how this flies, same tune and everything like that. Yeah, let's give it a go. So I did change the props as well. I'm using the Gem Van, the new 3016 3-blade with the same tune. These Gem Van props are pretty quiet. You can probably hear the car noise and the street behind me more. It's a little floaty. I think I might need to adjust the min throttle. I haven't adjusted any settings. Well, that's okay. Pretty nice. Definitely has more power now. It's on a 3-inch propeller instead of a 2.5-inch propeller or 65mm 2-bladed. Yeah, so you know, with the these are 10 amp Crazy Bee ESCs on this prop. It might be drawing pretty close to the amp limit. I'm not sure if that current sensor meter is accurate. Let's see here, full throttle. Yeah, it's drawing like 25 amps there at full throttle. So that's what, I don't know, more, it's like 6-7 amps per ESC. So it's still under the 10 amp limit. I think it bursts to 12. Yeah, it's only going to 24, 25. So that's still okay under the 10 amp limit. So in theory, in the air, if this current sensor is scaled correctly, yeah, it's maxing out around 24, 25. These ESCs ought to be okay on these 3 blades because it is a pretty low pitch prop. So right through that branch. A lot of prop wash there. Yeah, I think going to 4.1 on this might not be a bad idea. I might do that for a future video later when I get a little more time. Kind of busy these days. It's definitely pretty floaty on these 3-bladed propellers. Either the min throttle's too high or it needs an adjustment somewhere in the PIDs. Of course, I haven't tuned this at all, so. Honestly, we're just totally doing no work at all, just taking the prop guards off and throwing out some 3-inch props. Not bad. really can't complain too much. I have to look at the HD video. It's a little bit brighter today, so I imagine there's probably going to be a little bit of jello in the video, HD video, but this isn't the best canopy. I imagine people will probably make a better canopy for this. If there's not already one on Thingiverse, there probably is. Who knows? Pretty good flight time though. More than 5 minutes. I've been doing a lot of acro. Still running the same battery as before, the 450 Tattoo. Pretty nice day today. It's going to rain again tomorrow, it looks like. This is that not tuned crossfire antenna. 99%. I cannot get that to go below 99% RSSI. Wow, I'm getting really good flight time, 6 minutes. Yeah, I'm getting it to beep there. Oh, yep, it's sagging. There we go. Now I think I'm at the end of the battery now. Alrighty, 6 minutes. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.